Hi guys, this is Vishal from Rapcode. So in the last video we have seen how to work with sections and private layout. Now we'll see how to work with the snippets. So snippets are basically reusable components which you design once and then you use it as many times as you want. Right, so let's say we have a page which has a header, this and the footer. Now let's say I have 10 different pages and all these pages I want a footer like this. So either I can go and drop the footer component everywhere, but there is a problem. As soon as I want to change something, I will have to go to all my 20 pages and change it again. So it would be much easier if I can just control it from one place. So let's see how that can be done. Right, so I'll go to snippets and you can go and create a snippet. So snippet, let's say footer, and I'll just give name snippet. So it is as easy as designing a page, but the only difference is that you can use it as many times as you want. So I'll go to components, let's say I go to my pre-built sections and just drop a footer, because we are building a snippet for a footer. So let's say I need a footer like this, so I just drop it. Now I change this. We'll change it later. Let's say this is fine. Now I want all my pages as the same footer. So I'll go to my page, let's say home page. Okay, previously there was a footer like this which is not a snippet, so I'll just remove this footer. Okay, and now let's use the footer which we have built as part of a snippet. So I go to my components and search for a snippet. So it is here. A snippet is a component which you can drag and drop. So now I drop that snippet here and it is asking me that which snippet you want to bring. So I'll say bring the footer snippet. Okay, so now you see it has actually drawn the footer. Now if you want to move it downwards, we'll see in the layer manager where that snippet is. So it is inside this pre-built layout, so I'll just move it outside. Okay, there is some. So now it is inside, so navbar, card, pre-built layout, and then a snippet. So this is the snippet. Now if I go and preview this page, it will look like exactly what it is. Okay, but the snippet is getting controlled from the central place. Now let's build one more page. So I go here, let's go to the pages and say add one more page. Let's say page 2. Okay, I create it. Let's say this is a pricing page. So what we'll do, we'll bring a header, some pricing template and the footer. So I go to the component, bring a header, which is fine. Now let's bring a pricing section. So before pricing, let's drop a section like this, which is fine. Now let's say the pricing table. Let's see where it is. So the pricing table like this. And now let's say I need the same footer which I've used previously. So I'll go here, I'll go to the components and drop the snippet again. Okay, on this particular page. So let's drop it anywhere, then we can control it from the layer manager, and the footer is here. Right, now let's move it outside here and move it there. So I'll go to my layer manager. So this is my snippet. I just move it towards the bottom. Okay, maybe outside of this pre-built layout. So here it is. So now let's preview this page, page 2. So page 2 also has the same footer and the home page also has the same footer. Now let's go in. Let's say I want to change something. I want to maybe add few more links and I want to do some changes. So I go to the snippet, the footer snippet which we've created, and let's change something. Let's change this image to this image, which is fine. And let's change get in touch with us to contact us. And just save. Okay, so I have done 2 changes. As of now, it's like this on page and page. Okay, now I just reload the page. I have not done anything to the pages. I have not even gone to the pages. I just went to the snippet and just updated. So now you see the footer has changed at one place. I reload this page, home page. So here also the footer has changed. So now the footer is same at both the pages. So this basically helps me avoid a lot of rework. If I'm changing something, I have just to change it at one place and the change will get reflected everywhere. So it's always useful to build snippets when you want to control things or the design from a central place, right? So you don't have to build that particular thing again and again or redo the changes at all the places. So this can happen that this snippet is being used at 100 pages, right? I don't want to go to all the 100 pages and do the changes. I can just do it once and then those get reflected everywhere. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.